Hi guys, this video is going to be about tripods and how do you set up your camera with your tripod. Let's unfold it first. Alright. So I want to show you now how you attach your camera to the head of your tripod. Usually you have on top of the head of your tripod a small plate, and on this plate there's a small screw attached. It's usually a 1/4" screw. And what you can do now, if you have a closer look on your camera bottom, there's also 1/4" thread. Obviously, currently I'm recording with my camera, so for purpose reasons, I show it with my GoPro. I have a 1/4" thread on the bottom of my GoPro attachment, and basically it just screws in. After screwed in, going back, click it in, and safe to go. GoPro attached to a tripod. What I really like to do as well, taking my flashlight, the foot of my flashlight also has the same 1/4" thread, and basically, just take the plate again, screw it in, click it back in, and now you have your flashlight attached to your tripod. Very useful if you want some flash from the side. Some people also ask me, for what do you have this small hook on top of the tripod? Sometimes you see the hook on the side of the tripod, like with my tripod, and sometimes you also see it in the middle, in the center, underneath the tripod. But what you actually can do, you take a weight. I use usually my backpack, hook it on, and let it go. This is the only reason. It makes it way more steady, way more stable, especially in heavy wind conditions. You will start loving this feature. So it's not a big deal, but make sure if you purchase a tripod, go with a hook. Just awesome. If this short video was helpful for you, leave me a thumbs up, and we'll see us in the next one.